Oh my god, guys, are y'all hearing the stock numbers on the upcoming Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes? We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys know we trying to build a family over here. So if you guys, you know what I'm saying, want to join the crew, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop on the channel. Drop a lot of videos like this right now, talking about stock numbers, talking about shock drops, exclusive access, and stuff like that. Just to give you guys a better opportunity to hit on whatever sneaker we talking about, man. And please leave a huge like on today's video. It would be greatly appreciated. It helps the channel grow, and this video right here is really gonna help a lot of people out, get a lot of, you know, weight off their shoulders, you know, because a lot of people be a little bit skeptical on taking L's on big releases like the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. But this right here, you guys are all in good luck with the stock numbers that we are here, man. So let's get into today's video. All right, guys, so recently we heard that it was going to be around 400,000, you know, pairs in stock for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. And then out of nowhere, literally today, every, you know, Discord group, big, you know, sneaker blog, they're talking about 600,000 pairs of Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. Now, when you hear those big numbers, you think of an Air Jordan 11 in December time, like when, you know, when they make 1 million pairs of Concords, 1 million pairs of Breads. But no, they're talking about 600,000 pairs of the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. Might be one of the best Air Jordan 1s to release this year. I'm gonna have to go Air Jordan 1 Palominos, but like I said, I do not have the UNC Toes in hand yet, so I guess I gotta do a little, you know, fair judgment when I get both of them in hand. But 600,000 pairs of UNC Toes, that's 200,000 more than what we heard previously about the 400,000 pairs in stock. And I know a lot of people probably gonna ask, is it worldwide? Is it just US? And I'm 100% certain, well, I'm about 95% certain that it is, you know, just for the US. Of course, you got, you know, sneakers and all that stuff. 600,000 pairs of Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. Your boy was like, let's go. Cause you guys know me. I don't care about the resale. I don't care about the value of the sneaker. If I really want a sneaker, I'm gonna get it. I don't care if it's going for $100, $10, or $500. If I really want the shoe, I'm gonna buckle down and grab them bad boys. So everybody that's like, you know, a little bit skeptical, you know, seeing these prices on StockX, GOAT, and all that stuff, they going for like $400-500 on these apps. But lo and behold, 600,000 pairs, man. And it's crazy because you guys know I usually touch a lot of shoes early, especially Air Jordan 1s. You guys love Air Jordan 1s on this channel, Air Jordan 4s on this channel, and 3s. But I do not have the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. And with the stock 600,000 pairs, you would think that a lot of pairs are floating around on different sizes. But a lot of people, they ain't got them. Like a lot of people that, you know, usually go to, you know, my reliable sources, people that always get stuff early, they haven't been getting any men's pair of the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. If they are, they just holding it out from your boy. But like I said, I haven't seen anybody talk about the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. I've seen a couple, you know, bigger YouTubers did show the sneaker. I don't know what size they were, anything like that. But for the general population, you know what I'm saying, I don't see any Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes floating around. So like I said, man, do not pay resale, man. I know a lot of people try to pay resale before the release because they think the release is gonna go crazy. But this one right here, I'm 100% sure, 100% certain that you will not have to pay resale for this sneaker. You might take an L on like sneakers or like, you know, Foot Locker, you know, all the flex and stuff like that. You might even take an L on JD Sports, but on the aftermarket, on the resale market, they probably going right around retail. It might just be another Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green situation. That was probably, that's still up there for me as far as Air Jordan 1s of the year. And then they released and they was sitting, and I got them things for retail, and I probably can get them for under retail right now. StockX to go if I go and check. So like I said, do not pay resale this. Wait, save your ducats. And when you think about huge stock numbers like this, of course it's going to be another Jordan Reserve, another restock that Nike Sneakers app does do. So I'm telling y'all, save your money, keep your money in your pocket, wait till the release day. I'm hearing, you know, July 22nd. It was originally July 8th. I was super excited because July 8th is my birthday. And then now I think it is for sure, for certain, that it is a July 22nd release date. Now I know I told you guys in a previous video that there will be a shock drop exclusive access, you know, coming up very soon. And I thought it was gonna be during the sneakers live, the sneakers app live that they did the other day. But now in my Discord group, they are hearing that it will be late next week. late next week for an exclusive access or a shock drop. I want you guys to remember this information right now, because if it is right, I want to definitely, you know, help you guys out. So just remember, late next week, I might even drop another video when you get some more concrete information, some more, you know, solid times, at least a solid date. And I'll come up in here and help you guys out so you can have your phone just like this all day, waiting for that shot drop to happen, because we don't want a pair of clean Air Jordan 1s for summertime, you know, before the release actually does happen. Now this is a definitely, you know, a summertime sneaker, UNC color, definitely popping. And this sucks that they are dropping late in the summer. You know, people going back to school now. It's gonna be, you know, early August if I'm not mistaken. And they released July 22nd. So why wouldn't you a little bit early step out summertime fresh with a clean pair of Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes? So yeah guys, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. More information coming up for you guys. I did want to check, you know, the resale values right now, especially after hearing the crazy stock numbers. But don't let the stock numbers confuse y'all, bro, because sometimes it could be a million pairs of something, they still sell out and the resale is high, i.e. the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. Now this pair right here, it was a lot of pairs in stock. I don't remember the exact number. If I'm not mistaken, like 300 or like 350 or some thousand pairs. But these sold out instantly on Nike Sneaks app. The release was super terrible, but it was a high stock in the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. So that's what I'm telling y'all. Don't let that, you know, bamboozle y'all out of nowhere. This could be one of those, you know, lost and found situations, because it is a UNC colorway. But I'm still, you know, 95% sure that you'll be able to get a pair for retail around the time of the release. So looking up the Air Jordan 1 UNCs on StockX, go ahead and check the, you know, the prices and stuff like that. And I actually do not see them anywhere on here. So let me do a little bit more digging, see if I can find some prices for you guys to gauge, you know, what the resale is looking like. All right, guys, so for a size 9, the lowest ask is $443. See if that zooms in right there. And you guys see the highest bid, only $285. And that is, what, 3-4 weeks before the drop. And I'm telling y'all that that price is going to drop dramatically, especially after the first wave, that first exclusive access or shock drop. The price is going to drop so much that this isn't going to look non-existent. Like, y'all ain't going to remember this number right here, but it is, you know, pretty cool to see how much they will drop after, you know, that first drop, especially after the initial release, you know, the original release date, July 22nd. They're gonna be going for like $200, $190 if I'm being honest. You guys stay tuned for all future information by subbing up and hitting the notification bell right now. Leave a huge like on today's video, and make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. That's when I retweet everything super fast. So if it is a shock drop exclusive access while I am editing this video, you guys will be knowing first, man. So like I said, follow my Twitter, link down below right now. Of course, my IG, clothing brand, all that will be linked down below in the description box. I appreciate all of the support. Again, thanks for tapping in. All that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.